5 top AI tools to try today. AdCreativeAI, copywriting and social media assistant. AdCreativeAI allows you to generate conversion-focused ad creatives and social media posts in a matter of seconds using artificial intelligence. Simply tell the artificial intelligence your target audience, the platform you're creating the ads on, and it will select the best tone and length for the platform. Let artificial intelligence be your copywriter so you can focus on what really matters, your business. Generate engagement-focused social media posts in a matter of minutes that are perfectly sized creatives for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter and more. Scalenut, AI SEO and general writing platform. Say hello to Scalenut, the AI powerhouse content management suite that streamlines your SEO processes. Use Scalenut's keyword planner to plan your content like a pro. Add relevance and credibility to your content with Scalenut's statistics feature and engage your readers like never before. Simplify your life and focus on your core business. Let Scalenut handle the rest with its AI-powered content management suite. Say goodbye to the frustration of researching for content ideas. Scalenut gives you unlimited content ideas for blogs, products, ad copies, email headers and more, within minutes. Looka, AI-powered logo generator. Looka is an AI-powered logo maker that gives business owners a quick and affordable way to create a beautiful brand with their easy-to-use editor. Answer a few questions about your business and design preferences, and you'll immediately see a wide variety of logos to start saving and editing. Looka uses machine learning to apply design rules around color contrast, font pairings, and more, to provide users with better, out-of-the-box, logo options than other online logo makers. Once you have a logo you love, you can buy a one-time package or a logo and brand kit subscription, which includes access to 300+ branded designs, including business cards, social posts, flyers, and more. Moonbeam, AI long-form writing assistant. Moonbeam is the only AI writing assistant specifically trained to help you write essays, stories, articles, blogs, and other long-form content. Where other AI writing tools trail off into meaningless nonsense, Moonbeam shines. Use the wizard to instantly transform your jumbled notes into a useful outline, and your outline into perfectly written paragraphs. Or just prompt Luna, the AI behind Moonbeam, with a single phrase write with any style with Moonbeam's customer style generator. IdeaBuddy, all-in-one startup powerhouse. All-in-one business planning software that helps you turn your great idea into a successful business. Whether you are starting from scratch, looking for funding, or wanting to expand, they meet you where you're at. Plan your idea with a business model, from light bulb to launch, figure out everything you need to start your business off on the right foot. Build your financial plan, forecast your cash flow, and accurately calculate your profit and loss projections. The Idea Score enables you to check your idea's viability after you've developed it. IdeaBuddy builds your business plan as you go. Bonus tool, DreamInterpreterAI, fun AI Dream Interpreter. This is simple but fun. A dream interpreter built with GPT-3. Ask it the meaning of your dream and it will interpret it for you, allowing you to also upvote or downvote the meaning. More high-fives are on the way. Hit that like button and please subscribe.